Blockchain. Did you know that the first ever Bitcoin transaction was for just 2 pizzas? That was back in 2010, and today, blockchain technology is changing industries like finance, healthcare, and even art. So, what is blockchain exactly, and why is everyone talking about it? In this video we diving deep into the world of blockchain technology. Let's uncover what makes it so revolutionary and how it could affect your life in ways you might not even realize. First, let's start with the basics. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. This means that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be changed or deleted. This feature is what makes blockchain transparent and secure. Now, you might be wondering, why is it important? Well, it tackles some major issues we face today, like fraud, lack of transparency, and slow transaction speeds. Imagine a world where you don't have to trust a bank or a middleman to make a transaction. That's the promise of blockchain. Let's break it down in simple steps. The first step is decentralization. Instead of having a single point of control, blockchain spreads the information across numerous computers. These computers are called nodes. This means that no one person or company has the power to control all the data. The second step is security. Because the data is stored on multiple nodes, it is very hard for anyone to tamper with it. If someone wanted to change a piece of information, they would need to change it on all the computers simultaneously. This is nearly impossible, making blockchain highly secure. Next up is transparency. In a traditional system, you often don't see what happens to your money or data. With blockchain, everyone can see the transactions, so it creates a level of trust among users. Cryptocurrency is probably the most well-known application of blockchain. Bitcoin is the pioneer, but there are many others like Ethereum and Litecoin. These digital currencies utilize blockchain to validate transactions without needing a bank. Now let's discuss another cool application, smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts where the terms are directly written into code. For example, think about renting an apartment. Instead of dealing with a landlord, you could have a smart contract that automatically transfers rent once you deposit money. No need for paperwork or delays. Let's not forget about supply chain management. Companies like Walmart are using blockchain to track food products from farms to stores. This helps in quickly identifying safety issues. If there's a food recall, companies can see exactly where the problem originated. That saves lives and helps businesses react fast. Now, let's take a look at the impact on healthcare. Blockchain can store medical records securely and give patients control over their own data. Imagine having all your health information stored in a way that only you and your doctor can access it. You can decide who sees what. Pretty cool, right? But, it's not without challenges. Scalability is one big issue. As more people use blockchain, it can slow down transactions. Another concern is that some people don't understand how it works. Education is key to overcoming this barrier. Moreover, regulatory issues are also a concern. Governments are still figuring out how to handle blockchain and cryptocurrencies. We need to focus on policies that allow innovation while ensuring safety for users. Now, let's wrap up with why you might want to care about this. Blockchain technology is not just for techies. It's impacting various aspects of everyday life and will continue to do so. Investors are paying attention, and so should you. If you have a business, think about how blockchain could streamline your operations. As a consumer, pay attention to how companies are using blockchain for transparency. This tech is changing the landscape of industries and it's worth being informed. If you enjoyed this breakdown of blockchain, don't forget to hit that like button. What did you find most interesting about blockchain? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.